Healthy teeth, healthy body, daily habits for stronger gums and teeth. Welcome back to Health and Fitness University. Did you know that your mouth is a mirror to your overall health? Your teeth and gums don't just help you smile, they're connected to your heart, brain, lungs, and more. Poor oral health has been linked to serious health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and even dementia. In this video, I'll show you simple, powerful habits you can start today to protect your teeth, strengthen your gums, and boost your total body wellness. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's brush up on dental health. Section 1. The importance of oral health. Let's get real. Your mouth is full of bacteria. Most are harmless, but without proper care, some turn into plaque, tartar, and gum disease. Gum inflammation, also called gingivitis, can allow bacteria to enter your bloodstream, affecting your heart, lungs, and even brain over time. That's why taking care of your teeth is about much more than fresh breath. It's about protecting your whole body. Section 2. Daily habits for stronger teeth and gums. Here are the 5 essential habits to keep your teeth strong and your gums healthy. 1. Brush twice a day, 2 minutes each. Use a soft bristle toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Don't rush. 2 full minutes makes all the difference. 2. Floss daily. Flossing removes plaque from places your toothbrush can't reach. Yes, it really does matter. 3. Rinse with mouthwash. Use an alcohol-free rinse to reduce bacteria and strengthen enamel. 4. Try oil pulling, optional. Swishing coconut or sesame oil for 5 to 10 minutes may reduce harmful bacteria and freshen breath. 5. Replace your toothbrush every 3 months. Old bristles can't clean effectively, and they harbor bacteria. Always brush before bed. Going to sleep with food on your teeth feeds overnight bacterial growth. What you eat also plays a huge role in your oral health. These foods protect and strengthen your teeth naturally. Crunchy fruits and veggies, like apples and carrots, these clean your teeth as you chew. Leafy greens, high in calcium and folate, great for gum health. Dairy, milk, cheese, and yogurt strengthen enamel with calcium and phosphates. Water, rinse your mouth between meals and stay hydrated. Avoid soda candy and sticky carbs. They feed the worst kinds of mouth bacteria. Let's finish strong with some long-term tips that make all the difference. 1. Quit smoking. It's one of the biggest risk factors for gum disease and oral cancer. 2. See your dentist twice a year. Cleanings and early detection are key. 3. Sleep with your mouth closed. Mouth breathing dries out gums and increases bacteria. If you snore, talk to a specialist. 4. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Dry mouth promotes decay. Keep your saliva flowing. It's nature's mouthwash. 5. Check your gums regularly. Look for redness, swelling, or bleeding, signs of early gum disease. Healthy teeth mean more than a bright smile. They protect your brain, your heart, your confidence, and your quality of life. Just a few minutes of daily care can prevent decades of health problems. Take care of your teeth. Your whole body will thank you. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite oral health tip, and subscribe to Health and Fitness University for more wellness wisdom every week. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep smiling.